This is the Waterrock Knob 6,000 foot spot. This is where I turned around last year, and I'm turning around again this year, but I think I'm going to try and climb all the way up to the top of Klingman's on the way back. The top's another 100, 200 feet up, but these steps scare me off. I mean, I don't want to hike all the way up there, so maybe another year. Looks like the ride's going to be about 138 miles as it is, so I don't want to fool with that. And this is the really good view anyway, I believe. That's about it. Awesome ride. That's it.